Welcome to M365 Professional. As you work in Microsoft 365, it's simple to share your documents with others and collaborate. Enter a name or email address. Type a message if you want. And select Send. Or select Copy Link. And share the link wherever you want, like in a document, email, or chat message. Need to change the permissions of the link before sharing? Select Link Settings and choose an option. Anyone gives access to anyone who receives the link, even if they're outside of your organization. People in your organization gives anyone in your org who has the link access to the file. People with existing access is for when you want to send a link to somebody who already has access. And specific people gives access only to the people you specify, and the link will only work for people who you give access to. You can also choose if you want recipients to allow editing. Open in review mode. Only set an expiration date or set a password. Select Apply, and then Send. Sharing works the same throughout Microsoft 365. Select Share, and the same dialog box opens everywhere in File Explorer, in apps, on the web, on Mac, and even on your mobile device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content.